perimeter, area and volume.
Hey, what are you doing? I have planted tomatoes, capsicum, and a few other vegetables in my kitchen garden. I'm trying to calculate the dimensions of my kitchen garden to calculate its area. Area? What do you mean by area? Area is the amount of surface that a plain closed figure covers.
To measure the area of a closed plane figure, we divide it into unit squares and then count the number of unit squares. Let us take a rectangle of length 6 cm and breadth 4 cm. Now, divide it into unit squares with side 1 cm. So, area of this plane shape is 24 unit squares. Count the number of squares in the rectangle. It is 24. So, area of the rectangle is equal to area of 24 unit squares is equal to 24 into 1 square centimeter is equal to 24 square centimeter. This can be written as 6 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So, we can say area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth square units. Area of a square. We know a square is a rectangle whose length and breadth both are equal. Let us take a square ABCD. So, area of a square is side into side square units. Area of a triangle. Look at the square. Area of the square is 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, which is 36 square centimeter. A diagonal divides a square into two halves. Each half is a triangle. So, the area of a triangle is half the area of the square, which is 18 square centimeter. Area of irregular figures. Let us find the area of the given figure. We follow the following steps to find the area of irregular figure. Step 1. The first step is to count the number of squares which are completely enclosed by the figure. Number of complete squares, m, is equal to 55. Step 2. Count the number of squares of unit length which are more than half part enclosed by the closed figure. They are 9. Step 3. Count the number of those squares which are enclosed exactly half by the figure. Number of half squares is 5. Step 4. Add the total squares of steps 1, 2 and 3. So, the area of the closed figure is equal to number of complete squares plus number of squares having more than half parts enclosed plus half into number of squares having half parts enclosed. So, area of the irregular shape is 66.5 square units. Volume of a cuboid. The given cuboid is 4 cm long, 2 cm wide and 3 cm high. The cuboid is divided into 24 unit cubes of 1 cm each. So, the volume of the cuboid is 24 cubic centimeter, which is equal to the product of its length, breadth and height. So, volume of the cuboid is the product of its length, breadth and height. Volume of a cube. The given cube has each side 3 centimeter long. The cube is divided into 27 unit cubes of 1 centimeter each. So, the volume of the cube is 27 cubic centimeter, which is equal to the product of its 3 sides. So, volume of a cube is the product of its sides.